Good evening, guys. I've got amazing news for you. We have more information about the new tower coming up on Safa Park. It's called the One Canal on the Safa Park. Has two towers. One of them is 62 floors. The other one is 44 floors. One tower has 1 and 2 bedrooms. The other one has 2 and 3 bedrooms. So the tower, which has the 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms, has only 7 units per floor, meaning there is going to be all front facing apartments. Every apartment is going to have a view, right? There are 2 variations of 2 bedrooms where you have one with maids, the other one without maids. On 3 bedrooms, we don't have any confirmation about the 3 bedrooms, but to the best of my knowledge, the 3 bedrooms are without the maids room. Sizes of apartments are 850 square feet for 1 bedroom apartment, to be precise 843, 848 square feet. The 2 bedrooms are 1200 to 1400 square feet, and the 3 bedrooms are 1500 to 1600 square feet. These are the size dimensions. The typical layout, so there's no fighting over the best layout. From 5th floor up till 38th floor, you get the same typical layout in both the towers. With some exception on the lower floors. We'll come to the details for that later on. Price, we're looking at 1,700 dirhams to 2,050 dirhams per square feet. Payment plan, we're not quite sure about it yet, but we'll get to know about it on 22nd. However, it's a 4-year plan. Starting from now, a handover is around 2026. If you need more information, let me know. If you have any clients who are interested with these kind of details, do not wait. I stress, do not wait. Guys, get them over here in the office. We'll do the presentation for them, and you must collect the checks right now. Call me.